and welcome back. So let's do another project. We'll create a survey page now. Okay, instead of typing everything, I'm going to copy paste, then we're going to review the code and we're going to see how you can create a simple form and a simple website with a survey page. So here is the file. So let's open this file in brackets. Okay, before that, let's open and view how the file looks like. Okay, this could be an exercise. We know how to create the header, we know how to create the footer, we know how to create the headings. Okay, the only thing that you also need to know is how to create forms, which we covered in HTML section. So go ahead and do this exercise. Okay, the code is there to help you out to do this exercise. We're going to do a quick review of how this page can be created, but this page has already been discussed, how to create footer and header. We're just going to discuss how to create the form. Okay, so this is the page, survey page, right? It has this form, right? It has header, section, then it has footer, right? Nothing fancy about it. And in this section you have something called as form. Okay, you have this form, and this is a survey form where you have a label and an input as text and input as text. Then you have this select group where you can select option 1 and 2. You have this option, so option groups, option 1 and option 2 and option 3. Then you have checkboxes. You have different checkboxes to select the checkboxes. Then you have submit button and reset button. So you type anything here, you click reset, then the page form will be reset. Okay, then you have your footer. We have discussed some part of it, of how to play around. There's one section I want to discuss is nothing but the input type. Okay, you can change the attribute. If input, this is basically saying an attribute selector, where in input where the type is text. For the input, if the type is text, then apply this rule. Okay, that's what it's trying to do. Okay, it's displaying a block, then you're having a margin bottom. That's nothing but you're having a block and then there's a margin bottom. Okay, and rest of the code I think we have seen previously. So have fun and create a simple survey page. You can create any form page that you like. You can create a contact page, you can create any page that you want. Make a form and try to create a header and footer and try to see you can align all the elements in one nice center format. Okay, so that's all for this project on survey form, and I'll see you in the next one.